Nantucket is a beautiful island. It's why so many people come from far and wide to spend time here. Now we're about to show you some of the most incredible properties this island has to offer.
Not only one of my favorite properties on Nantucket, but one of my favorite locations. Let's go check out 3 Academy Lane. This property was originally built in the late 1700s, but as you can tell, the owners have done a fabulous job renovating and caring for this antique beauty. As you can imagine, 3 Academy Lane fills up rather quickly. With 5 beds, 4 baths, sleeps 10, and I mean, who can beat this location? I'm Jonathan Russell with Columbus & Over Group. Reach out to me for more information.